How to spend 3 days in Istanbul, Turkey. Ever dreamt of wandering through a city where East meets West? Ancient history blends with vibrant culture, and every corner tells a story. Welcome to Istanbul. In this video, we'll explore how to make the most of 3 unforgettable days in Istanbul. From majestic mosques to tantalizing street food, get ready for an adventure that will captivate your senses. Start your journey in Sultanahmet Square, the epicenter of Istanbul's rich history. Marvel at the architectural splendor of the Blue Mosque and the Hagia Sophia, each narrating tales of empires past. Step into the opulent world of Ottoman sultans at Topkapi Palace. Explore its lavish rooms and treasure troves that whisper secrets of a bygone era. Conclude your day at the Grand Bazaar, one of the world's oldest markets. Lose yourself in a maze of colors, scents, and sounds as you shop for unique souvenirs. Embark on a serene Bosphorus cruise where Europe and Asia embrace. Witness Istanbul's skyline from a unique vantage point. Visit Dolmabahce Palace, a symbol of Ottoman modernization. Its European-inspired design and grandeur are truly mesmerizing. 3 days in Istanbul offer a glimpse into a city that bridges continents and cultures. Remember to dress modestly for mosque visits, carry cash for local markets, and embrace the local customs. Istanbul awaits with open arms and endless stories. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more travel adventures and tips. Share your Istanbul experiences in the comments below. Stroll through Ortaköy, a charming neighborhood known for its art scene, and delectable kumpir. Enjoy the blend of tradition and trendiness. Awaken your senses at the Spice Bazaar. The aromatic allure of spices and sweets offers a taste of Istanbul's culinary heritage. Climb the historic Galata Tower for a breathtaking 360-degree view of the city. It's a perfect spot for capturing memories. Experience the vibrant energy of Istiklal Street. From shopping to street performances,
It's a microcosm of Istanbul's dynamic spirit.